Welcome to Enchanting Endeavors. Today we are bringing you a super healthy and protein-packed recipe. Fluffy, perfectly cooked quinoa. Cut open the packet and pour quinoa into a large sieve. Rinse it well under running water to remove its natural coating called saponin, which will give a bitter taste. Transfer the rinsed quinoa into a bowl. Cover with water and allow it to soak. Soaking helps the grain soften and cook more evenly, while also improving digestion. While the quinoa is soaking, let's get the rest of the prep ready. I love adding plenty of fresh vegetables, so I'm starting with carrots, chopped into small, even pieces. Next, I'm dicing a big bell pepper into tiny pieces. Bell peppers not only add vibrant color to the dish, but also bring in natural sweetness and a boost of vitamin C. Now, I'm cutting one big potato into small cubes. Potatoes make the dish more hearty and filling. Then chop one onion into fine pieces. Next, I take some frozen peas and sweet corn. These not only bring natural sweetness and color but also pack in extra fiber and nutrients. Heat a pan and add a little olive oil. Start by tossing in the carrots with a pinch of salt, letting them soften slightly. After a few minutes, add the potatoes, followed by the bell peppers and onions. This ensures each vegetable cooks evenly while retaining its texture and flavor. Once the vegetables are tender and the onions are translucent, remove them from the pan and set aside. To make the dish more wholesome, I like to add eggs in a separate pan. I crack two eggs and scramble them lightly until soft and fluffy. While the vegetables rest, let's move on to the quinoa. In a pan on the stove, add 2 parts of water to 1 part of the soaked quinoa. Covered with a lid, let it boil gently for about 15 minutes until the grains are light and fluffy. While boiling, you may add a pinch of salt to the water for seasoning. Now let's bring everything together. Add in all the sauteed vegetables, followed by quinoa. Give it a gentle stir so the flavors blend beautifully. To enhance the flavor, add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and a splash of vinegar. This gives the quinoa a subtle tang and a delicious savory taste. Finally, season with a little salt and then add in the peas and sweet corn. Mix everything well so the quinoa, eggs, and vegetables are perfectly combined, creating a colorful, nutritious, and wholesome dish. Finish off with a sprinkle of black pepper. This colorful quinoa dish is not only delicious but packed with protein, fiber, and essential vitamins, making it a wholesome, healthy meal for any time of the day. Don't forget to subscribe to Enchanting Endeavors for more easy and nutritious recipes.